Hey guys, it's your girl Evie Joe back with another DIY video. Today's DIY are going to be these huge oversized jeans, and the first thing you want to do is make sure you get you some oversized jeans. Now my waist is usually like a 36, but I'm pregnant, so I had to get a 40 for this, and that was the only way that these were really going to be oversized. You do want them to be men's jeans. I mean, I'm sure you can find some oversized women's jeans, but the fit will be different. So it's best to get like some men's jeans from the thrift store, or with some old men's jeans you know of just laying around. It's best to use those. Okay, so these are the jeans that I'm going to be replicating, and I got them off Instagram. And of course, it was really simple. It's just like a couple of slits here in the front, so I'm going to show you exactly how that's done. You're just going to make one big slit. This is the first slit, and you do want to cut a piece out once you make the slit, so that the slit can actually be noticeable and not just slice it or cut it. You actually want to cut like a piece out after you cut it. Okay, so after you cut the slit out, you do want to go ahead and start making an incision for the larger hole, which leaves a flap. Now you just want to cut a diagonal and a horizontal slit to achieve this look, and then just pull back the extra fabric, leaving it like a triangle shape. And then between the slit that you cut first and the triangle that you just cut, you want to just make an incision right there in the middle, so that when you put this in the washer and dryer, it will shred and look like it's been that way for a while, instead of just looking like you just cut it like it does here. So just go ahead and do the other side, and then after you're done doing the other side, throw it in the washer and dryer, and then you're done. As simple as that. So this was a very easy DIY. I used these jeans in one of my maternity pics, and the jeans were lovely. I continue to get compliments on them throughout the day while I was taking the pics, and even after, once I post them on Instagram. So yeah, these are the finished product. Of course, if you want a lighter wash, then you just either get a lighter wash jeans, or you can dip them in bleach and then wash them after that. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And until the next one, peace.